So here we're going to take a look at what we call Heron's formula. And Heron's formula allows us to calculate the area of a non-right angled triangle, okay, and it does so by just using the three side lengths. So if I know the three side lengths of a non-right angled triangle, I can calculate the area. And the formula, Heron's formula, actually says that the area is equal to the square root of s multiplied by s minus a multiplied by s minus b multiplied by s minus c. Okay, and that is where a, b, and c here, these guys, remember, are our side lengths. Okay, so a, b, and c there are our side lengths. And our s, well, the way that we calculate s, and it's going to be unique for each triangle, is equal to our side lengths added together, a plus b plus c, all divided by 2. So for example, let's say that I've got this non-right angled triangle down here, and I'm told that this side length is 5, this side length is 6, and this side length here is 7. Well, if I'm going to work out what the value for s is for this triangle, I do all of my side lengths added together, so 5 plus 6 plus 7, all divided by 2. Okay, so 5 plus 6, 11, plus 7 is 18, divided by 2 just gives me 9. So the s value for this particular triangle would be 9. And then substituting that into my Heron's formula for the area, well, my s, I get my 9 multiplied by 9 minus one of my sides, so 7 multiplied by 9 minus another one of my sides, the 6 multiplied by 9 minus another one of my sides, which is 5. And if we continue to sort of work this out, we get 9 times, we get 2 here, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 9 minus 5 is 4. And if you multiply all of those together, you end up with 216. And so the square root of 216 is just 14.70. Okay, we can do one more example. So we'll come down here and we'll say that we've got this non-right angled triangle, and we'll say that this is 5 long, this is 4 long, and this is 7 long up the top here. And remember that the s value, we calculate that by a plus b plus c divided by 2, and the area is equal to the square root of s times s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Okay, so we'll start off by working out what the s value is. So I have to add all of my side lengths up. 7 plus 5 plus 4 gives me 16, divided by 2 leaves me with 8 there. And then if I'm going to use Heron's formula to calculate the area, I just get the square root of 8 times 8 minus one of my sides, 7, times 8 minus another one of my sides, times 8 minus my final side. And if we continue to sort of work through here, we get 8 times 1, my apologies, 8 minus 7 is 1, so 8 times 1 times 4 times 3. Okay, so here we're taking the square root of 96, which just gives us 9.80. Okay, and these are going to be, it's really important to remember that for these areas, these are going to be in square units. Okay, so I should also pop that one up here as well. So we are in square units. So if we're in centimeters, we're in centimeters squared. If we're in millimeters, we're in millimeters squared. So that's how we use Heron's formula to calculate the area of a non-right angled triangle.